Hi guys, and thank you for watching this episode of Cooking with Benoit. Today I will prepare green beans and pork sides because it's easy to do, quick, and absolutely delicious! As a matter of fact, I'm kind of starving right now. This recipe is a typical French side dish. You'll eat it with a roast chicken or a grilled meat and a light, dry white wine, like a chardonnay for example. What you will need to make green peas and pork side is 2 pounds of green peas. French word of the day. The French word of the day is Petits Pois for green peas. Petits Pois. It sounds like a running horse, right? Petits Pois, Petits Pois, Petits Pois, Petits Pois, Petits Pois. The heart of a lettuce. 1 pound of chopped pork side. 8 fluid ounces of chicken broth. 1 onion, 1 ounce of butter. Put butter in a sauté pan over medium heat and brown pork side chunks and chopped onion for approximately 5 minutes. Mix regularly. Add sliced lettuce, peas, and broth. Season to taste, salt and pepper, mix, cover with a lid, and let it simmer over low heat for 20 minutes, 25 minutes. I hope you enjoy watching this video, so give us a thumb up to show support. And of course you can comment below. Let me know what you think about the recipe. Subscribe to the Cooking with Benoit channel so you get notified of all the new videos we will publish. It helps us a lot. In the meantime, merci, au revoir et à bientôt!